Hello farmers, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I think it's been long. It has been like long since I made a video for you. So today we are on the farm and I'm going to be taking you through everything that we're going to do today. We are trying to finish up our poultry cages because we have other sections that we're doing. And today we are going to be working on the water. Of course, it is a lot of work, but we're going to try as much as possible, at least to get done with it, God willing. Other things that we're going to do, I'm going to actually show you our new badge. I know I didn't show you the blue there and everything, but we have a new badge that I'm going to be showing you now. And yeah, maybe we are going to just go there because they're making two months soon, and we're yet to shift them to the cages. But right now, I'm going to be just it's going to be a vlog on the farm, and see you. So literally, this is our brooding coop. This is our brooding coop. Nera wakati inamu nkoke inganda mnino. I think you can see them. Yeah, just in tono za kuliako really. And I remember when we had so many local chickens back then, but ngeli mamira bali nga majitega tuddeko. Endala kuba ndaba etudde ku gundi. So mune enkoko ezaali munene twazitunda, we laid them off because we are bringing more birds. So we laid the birds off. And yeah, let me go. We actually laid off 2 coops. Let's see what is in this coop. So we have these ones. Tekuli masanyalaze. But I want to tell you that we laid off. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I've not been showing you. Now, most of you have been calling me and asking for eggs and asking for birds too. But I want to tell you that we laid off like 500 birds, and then we replaced them with new ones. Now we are still in the brooder. These ones are 1 month and 1 week, and they're still in the brooder, and they're really looking nice. Like, look at that. So it's kind of dark, but they're still in the brooder, but they are nice. They're still in the brooder, and yeah, this is how we are looking like. This is the situation. There are still many, and it is morning already. We fed them, and this is what they use. Like, they feed from these ones before they go into the cages. Now we are still finishing our cages. We are working on finishing the cages because after they make 2 months, we are going to transfer them, and then we bring others. We are going to transfer them to the cages, and then we bring others. Hannah, toko na sagala zekange. So yeah, this is the situation right now. I think you can see the quality when I bring them close. These are brown. Sorry, these are Lohman brown. It is the same as the last branch that is in the cage. Lohman brown. On this one we do Lohman brown and Isa brown, but these ones specifically, they are Lohman brown. The one that we laid off, one batch was Isa brown, another one was Lohman brown, and then right now we have 2 batches. This one, and then Tuinanezeri. So yeah, these are 600 birds, and then yeah, these are 600 birds. Right now we have 3 batches, and yeah, this batch is 600, and they are so cute. Just 1 month, but they're looking really cute. So like that one, so I want to see how active they are. when I reach them. But I think they are so satisfied actually. And oyambusa waggulu. Oh, F again. Now at this age, of course we've changed their food, other feeds, but of course we are still giving them pellets, so we are mixing pellets and the other feeds, okay? But soon we are going to change to grower feeds. Alright, they are so satisfied. So these are the drinkers, and then these are the stoves that we use. Oba muziraba gegano esigiro giraba ezo zino esigiri zetukozesa. They are so nice and they are so safe. Semberako kati sembera waneeno ku sigiri eri safe. I think you can see it. I think you can see it. I think you can see how safe it is. Amanda we gave no waggulu oba gagenda kugwa bugwe munda, so there is no possibilities of you burning the what? The chicken. Yeah, so we got Gajeno, and then up here, just in case there are some sparkles, it hits here and then it goes back in the stove. And then yeah, that is it. Let me show you this side how it looks. So these are the stoves that we're using. And yeah, chinene. And yeah, I think that's all together. Actually, no, they will never store. We will store. We just store. Now for boys are 2 months. We're gonna have sisters versus. We're going. Right there. Another one is here. So big. So big. Auntie Monini. Guys, if you remember, if you started with us here, this is the coop that we built, and yeah, tukolelamu brooder tezifuluma